In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable in-app notifications for games on LinkedIn. If you want to manage the alerts LinkedIn sends you about games inside the platform, this is a quick setting to adjust. It only takes a moment and it can help reduce distractions if you prefer a cleaner notification experience while using LinkedIn. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to change. To begin, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn screen, look to the top right corner and click on Me. This opens your account menu where you'll find several personal and account-related options. From that drop-down, click on Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where LinkedIn lets you control your account preferences, visibility, communications, and notifications. After you arrive in Settings and Privacy, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a list of categories that organize different account controls. From that menu, click on Notifications. This section is where you can manage the types of alerts LinkedIn sends you, including updates related to your network, messaging, jobs, and game activity. Once you're in the Notifications area, find and select Games. This section is specifically for game-related notification settings. When you open it, look for the option labeled Allow Game Notifications. If your goal is to stop receiving these in-app game notifications, simply disable the switch. Once the toggle is turned off, LinkedIn will no longer send you those game-related alerts within the app. That's all you need to do. The change should take effect right away, so there's usually no need to save anything manually. If you ever decide you want to receive those notifications again in the future, you can come back to the same games section and turn the switch back on. As a quick tip, if you're already reviewing your notification settings, it may be a good time to explore the other categories in this section as well. LinkedIn gives you quite a bit of control over the kind of updates you receive, so adjusting them can make the platform feel a lot more focused and relevant to how you use it, and that's how to enable in-app notifications for games on LinkedIn.